Katie, and you're here at my home in Hollywood, sitting on my beautiful driveway, which has now been restored by Perfect Pavers. I knew that I wanted to do this for a couple of years. I wanted to have the driveway restored and look good when you come in and are welcomed by it. And it was a point of frustration for me regularly because it's the first thing you see when you walk up, and by the door, these pavers collect a lot of mold. Here it rains a lot and turns into mold very quickly. A couple of years back, I tried to clean it myself and went to pressure clean it, which I immediately regretted. I did not know what I was getting myself into, and I could see right away that it was going to be streaky. But one day I just decided to Google Chicago brick restoration, and that's when I found Perfect Pavers. And I could tell by the site right away that they would know what to do with my driveway and have the right equipment to do it. So I submitted a quote, which was right there on their page, and immediately was walked through like a really smooth journey of what to expect and what would happen next. Within a couple of days, I had a quote where nobody even had to come out. They were able to do aerial views of the property and give me a rough quote of what it would cost and then what to expect if it went beyond, why it might go beyond that. Everything was well thought out on their end and automated to where they were telling me the next steps and the answers to questions before I even had them. Every time I drove up, I would think, I cannot wait for this to be done. And I was telling everyone who came by, look at my driveway and really appreciate how bad it is so that when you come back and it's done, you'll appreciate how good it is. They came when they said they would come. Everything that they did was right when they said that they would do it. Within 2 days, the whole project was redone, and my bricks are now welcoming and gives my house really a refresher right from the beginning and allows me to see the charm of this driveway. So once I Googled and found their quote process as a client, I knew that if they put that much work into the front end, they would do the job and do it right. And that if that's the time that they took in the quote process and in their expectations, that the job would match. And I was not disappointed. Now when I pull up, it makes me happy. I pull up and I'm like, yes, it looks like it's supposed to. This house is absolutely a forever home for me. And I know that I can keep this brick and be able to maintain and restore it and have it look as good as it does now.